Well, hi everyone and welcome back to today's video. Here I am today on the south side of Brisbane. I am in Carina and I'm about to go to Camp Hill. Today I am here right on the tram tracks where Brisbane used to have trams from 1897 and trams shut down in Brisbane in 1969. The year when the man landed on the moon, Neil Armstrong. And right here I'm about to have a look at some history. As you can see, here's a tram right here behind me, a small picture of it, and you are about to see the only tram tracks in the whole of Brisbane. And back in the old days, the Brisbane City Council actually used to be called Belmont Shire, and Belmont Shire finished in 1925, and in 1925 that's when the whole of Brisbane became Greater Brisbane and Brisbane City Council. And in 1930 Brisbane City Hall in King George's Square in the Brisbane City officially opened. We are on a very busy road right here, and it is called Old Tram Tracks. I'm gonna walk along the tram tracks right now. So I'm now right here on the tram tracks, and I think you can even park on the tram tracks, and which is pretty crazy as well. And it's good that they still have these tram tracks right here, and we're just gonna go for a walk. It's just a 10-minute walk from Carina to Camp Hill, and I'm going to show you some history along the way. It's a shame that there's no trams right here, but there's a lot of buses around because people can't get trams anymore, and there are also a lot of railway train stations as well. And we're just gonna have a look through it all. And in Ferny Grove there is a tram museum, a Brisbane tram museum in Ferny Grove, which I hope to go there at some point. So now we are here right in a U-turn right now, and here is the Carina Gateway, and right here, as you can see, that's where you cross. So I don't think we can actually go through there. Here I am now at the very end of the tram tracks right here. Just arrived in the suburb of Camp Hill, all the way from Carina, so it was only like a 10-minute walk, and it was great to see the final tram tracks in the whole of Brisbane. And the trams have so much to be proud of with our history, but now there's trains and buses because the trams do not run anymore. So with that, there were many suburbs where the trams did go, whether that be north side Brisbane, city of Brisbane, and south side and western suburbs as well. And the Belmont tram line was operated from 1912 until 1926. So it did for like at least 10 years or so. Right now I am about to go to Norman Park Station to have a look there where the tram tracks loose used to start, but there's no more tram tracks there. So now I'm here at Norman Park train station on the south side of Brisbane, and earlier today I was at Carina / Camp Hill where it had those tram tracks. Well, I'm now here. Unfortunately, the Norman Park train / tram tracks are no longer here today, but the train tracks right here still here today. That goes from Sandgate all the way to Cleveland and Wynnum / Manly on that line. And the tram, the Beaumont tramway line, it started from Norman Park Railway train station, so here, and it went through Seven Hills, Camp Hill and Carina, and it terminated at Beaumont State School, a school in Carindale on the south side of Brisbane. So I hope that you learnt a bit today from this video. A bit of a disappointment with no trams, but I hope that you had it in your imagination. So if you did like this video, please keep updated on our socials: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and TikTok. That's all from me today. Thanks very much for watching as always. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video of more entertaining videos to come in the coming future generations to come. Bye everyone. Thanks very much.